Hi, my name is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I'd like to show you how to make your website faster in 5 minutes. Now this may make your website 2 to 3 times faster. Now before I show you how to do it, let's talk about why site speed matters. Now the average attention span back in 2000 was 12 seconds, but now it's down to 7 seconds. 1 second delay in page load time leads to 7% loss in conversion and 11% fewer page view and a 60% decrease in customer satisfaction. Now, Google have already started penalizing slower websites by pushing them down in the search engine result. So the site speed matters. I would like to show you how to make your website faster in 5 minutes. Why it's 5 minutes? Because you change only one setting. So all you have to do is upgrade your PHP version. Now likely you are using PHP version 5 and you would like to upgrade your PHP version 5 to 7. So this makes your website 2-3 times faster. As a matter of fact, the WordPress suggesting you to use PHP version 7.2 or greater, right? Now this diagram blows my mind. So this shows the percentage of websites using various versions of PHP. As you can see, PHP 7 got just above 11% of market share, despite providing better features. Now before you do though, you have to back up your file, because there's always risk of damaging your website. I would suggest that you use this plugin by WP Engine. This will help you to analyze your existing theme and plugin and let you know they are okay with PHP 7. Because some plugins, the theme are not compatible with PHP 7 and you see breaking your website. So before you do that, use this plugin and then check the compatibility. And I'd like to show you a demo. So I'm going to show you this plugin, PHP Compatibility Checker. Okay, so let's install and activate. Okay, so the PHP compatibility checker settings should be under tools here. And then it gives me an option here. So PHP version 7.0. I think my server supports up to 7.1, so I'm going to check that. And then only scan active plugins and themes. So I think that's fine. So I don't have to scan all plugins and themes, including deactivated theme. So just to click scan site. Yeah, I think I have 2 themes that are active, so they are scanning right now. So this depends on how many plugins, themes, active themes you have on your site. This is might take for a while, so I'm gonna just fast forward this video. Okay, scanning is done. I don't have anything themes and plugins that are not compatible. So let's see. Yeah, they're all compatible, so I'm good to go. So this is really handy plugin, and I encourage you to install and use this plugin before you implement updating the PHP version. All right, next. I'd like to show you how to update PHP. So you have to log into server cPanel or control panel. Now some server, they don't give you access, but most of server hosting should give you access for the cPanel. If you don't, contact your hosting and then get some information or login information. I have logged into my cPanel, so this is the cPanel look like, and just go scroll down, and under software, select the PHP version. So the current PHP version is 5.4. So we need to just change, just drop down here, and you see different kinds of version. And I'm going to pick the latest, which is 7.1 for my hosting, and then set as current. And that's it. So that's all you have to do. So this enable your site to perform better, to run more efficient, and then make your website faster. So it can be 2 to 3 times faster. So I hope that helps, and then see you next time.